devotees praying intensely to Guru Maharaj to offer, so I could not deny him. So we just want to accommodate that Prabhuji, and with that we'll end and go for puja. And then I would like to request Rahul Ranjan Prabhu, please keep your offering short, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, Param Puj Gopal Krishna Goswami Guru Maharaj ki Jai. So I'll keep it very short. First time I met Maharaj in Pune temple in 2011, and I offered him a Prabhupada picture. So he said that I don't sign on Prabhupada pictures. So I said, Maharaj, it is a gift for you. And he very gracefully accepted that gift. And recently I had an association of Maharaj in October in Viplav festival. Maharaj had come to Govardhan to address more than 7,500 youths, and he was supposed to give class only for one day, but he was so much enthused by seeing so many youths, 10,000 boys almost, so he came for all 3 days and he gave class. And when Dr. Devotee was paraphrasing for him, means because he had some health condition, so Amog Leela Prabhu and this devotee asked Maharaj, your health is so down, and why we are requesting you to slow down, but you are not slowing down. And Maharaj said that Prabhupada, he never compromised with service, and he left his body on the battlefield. When Prabhupada never compromised, how can I compromise? So I can never stop whatever my schedule is. And Maharaj was very kind to me, and I took opportunity that day. I just came in front of Maharaj after his lecture, and this was the first time. I had seen him many times, but Maharaj never smiled at me. I was not that fortunate, but this time he smiled at me, and controlled myself. From the behind I touched both his lotus feet, and his association has been, many of his disciples are very close friend of mine, and I pray to his lotus feet that he gives me shelter. And the way once he had sent his offering to the Vyas Puja of my Guru Maharaj 2011 60th Vyas Puja, and Bhima Prabhu read his offering, his Grace Bhima Prabhu, Prabhupada disciple, and Maharaj said that Radha Swami Maharaj, you are maintaining your humility very nicely. So actually, like Jayadatta Maharaj once remarked, it takes one to know one. So because Maharaj is an ocean of humility himself, that's why he could appreciate that quality in another pure devotee. So from the core of my heart, I beg all of you that I am an ocean of offenses. Let me absorb some qualities from the lotus feet of Srila Gopal Krishna Goswami Guru Maharaj and become an instrument of his mercy towards the world. And I have offended many of his disciples recently also due to some management conditions. So I beg from the core of my heart, I beg forgiveness from all his disciples whom I have offended to Maharaj, Guru Maharaj directly. Srila Gopal Krishna Goswami Guru Maharaj ki! Thank you so much, Maharaj. Hare Krishna.
Thank you so much, Prabhuji. So